Alright boys, I just charged the GoPro for a minute. The trails are absolutely flooded. You guys can see where I've been riding at. Back there. Hold on. Everything's like flooded. Gonna be on the Rubicon again. I got out of school and I was riding and it's cold out here. But I was riding and then I went to the creek and all, and then I decided I wanted to go to the trail. And I went down there and it was like flooded out. And I was recording then and then my GoPro went dead. And it's only on 17% right now. But I had to make a video because it's getting dark. Earlier it wasn't cold or dark. Now it's cold and it's getting dark. Well, yeah, I've been taking the Honda deep lately. Honda boat's lights are actually waterproof, which I know it says they are, but I put it to the test today because there's like a big dip. Dang, that's a big old owl. God. There's just an owl out here. You guys can see it's like freaking deep too. Look, the headlights are in the water. Car's digging. I wish I had someone else out here to record me. But it'll be alright. Man, that was a big old owl that just flew out when I came in here. And like if I try and creep through it in two-wheel drive, like y'all can see, it's pretty deep. I've dug all this out right here. Like I'll back up in it. You guys can see like this is deep. I've been trying to dig it out all day. Man, I like that. Because I get to take the Rubicon through there. And that Suzuki went through there, that thing will be underwater. See, look how deep it is, y'all. I wish I could water wheelie. Well, I could coming out, but I guess I'll do a water wheelie. I just really dug. It didn't really wheelie. Which, the front end came up, but I wouldn't really consider that as a wheelie. But I'm just going to record until the GoPro dies. So, it might cut out anywhere in between this video. That was a full send right there. Well, I won't say it's a full send because it really wasn't, but I hit it at the last second. This thing gonna be completely rutted out once it dries out. Well, it's probably gonna take a few weeks. I've been making a lot of videos on this. Man, it's fun. I like when I hit it and then it just digs. I'm ripping two-wheel drive right now. I thought I was in 4, but I'm only in 2. So. I can feel the mud just slinging up everywhere on my pants. I guess I'm gonna creep through it. I'm gonna sit down and creep through it. Hold on. There we go. I'm gonna sit down while I'm going through it. Put my feet up there. Two-wheel drive. I'm gonna go in on this side and sit down and see if I can get up that tall rut. Well, it's like a little hill and it's like rutted out a little bit from what I did today. It just gets deep right here. Y'all can see it? Or the front of it does. Just dig straight on through there. I hope the camera don't cut out. Hope I at least get to finish this video. But if it does cut out, y'all know the reason why. It's dead. Well, it'd have been dead by then. Ouch. Muddy today, son. God knows. I got on pants and Crocs. You can just hear it just digging in there like through the mud. Alright boys, the GoPro has died, but I'm going to be using my phone right now. My sock just got wet. Look at the Colorado spinning. Riding through the trail. Alright boys, I'm back. GoPro went there, so just record on my phone. I ain't gonna really be doing no crazy stuff in the hole right now. It's getting dark out, so. Like y'all can see, like, watch this. Look at the front of the Rubicon. Look at it. That's all in two-wheel drive. Look at what I've been doing, burnouts. I don't know why I keep saying donuts. I do not know, but I'm about to ride through the trail about 2 more times and end off this video. Go park, do some editing. Might do a little bit more riding before I leave the shop. Just because this hole is so fun. Hold on, I'm about to turn the flasher on. Alright boys, this is a little bit better. Guess I'm about to ride through it one more time and I'm going to wash this thing off if I can. Look at my back tire now. God, mud's all over my phone. But, yeah. Time to go here and park, I guess. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned if you want more mudding content. Finally get to bring it back since it's starting to rain and stuff. My brand new jacket, well, it's not brand new, I've had it for a while, but my jacket's all muddy now. But other than that, I had fun today. So that's all that really matters. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and then till next time, I'll catch y'all on the next one.